Here, this 8 square is 64 plus 72 divided by 8 times 5. Now, this is 136 divided by 8 times 5. Now, this 136 divided by 8 is 17 times this 5. Now, 17 times 5 is 85 is the wrong answer. As per the order of operations, this 85 is the wrong answer. Now here we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is exponent. Next is M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this, we are going to follow another rule called left to right. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per the PEMDAS rule, this exponent is higher priority now. So, this is 64 plus 72 divided by 8 times this 5. Here we have addition, division and multiplication. Here division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this before this addition. Here both are equal priority as per this. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Left to right is this. So 64 plus this is 9 times 5. Here we have addition and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So 64 plus this is 45. Here 64 plus 45 is 109 is the correct answer.